Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to log into your OfferUp account. To log into your OfferUp account, the first thing to do is to open the OfferUp application, or you can also open up a web browser and then go to the URL box and type in OfferUp.com. After you get to the official website for OfferUp, from the main homepage, go to the upper right corner and click on Login. Now, in the login or sign up page, you can choose one of the options displayed on the screen. If you have previously used your email address to continue signing up with OfferUp, you will need to pick the same over here as well. If you've previously used the social sites that has been mentioned right here, then you will need to do the same here while logging in as well. In my case, I chose the email option to sign up, so let me tap on continue with email to log in as well. Once you click on one of the options, tap on log in, and then enter your email address and then your account's password that is associated with OfferUp. If you don't remember your password, you can get help by clicking Forgot Your Password. If your credentials are correct, you can click on Agree and log in, and you will be able to sign into your OfferUp account just like that. So that is how you can quickly and easily log into OfferUp in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.